This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning guys, it is October 13, 2018. This one here, I got an oil burner service I gotta go do. Annual, inspection, cleaning type of thing. So I worked at this house before for this lady, but I never worked on a burner. Last time I was there, I worked on a thermostat on a storage tank. A big square Wild McLean storage tank. I had to change the thermostat a couple of months ago. But that time of year for cleanings now and getting ready before the cold weather hits. It's still pretty warm out here. Still, still 65, 70 degrees during the day, so. But I'll try to give you some shots. Two tanks here, look at them. Two 330s. Oil line runs over the filters here. We're gonna check it. We'll check out oil flow here. We'll see if that filter's dirty or this pump filter's dirty by the flow. Wow. That thing was really on there. Big boiler here. I don't know what size of nozzle it is, but it's not going to be small. It'll be a fucking monster. It's going to be a big nozzle. 237,000 BTUs. Wow. Tool 6. Yeehaw. A flipping monster. So we know we got good oil flow, so the filters are fine. I don't need to change them. Wow, look at this flipping thing. It's a big nozzle. Hear that muck? That's not good. It's a 60. It's a 150. 150, 60. truck. That's all I'm gonna put in there. I don't have a 150. It'll be fine. I like running smaller nozzles myself, to be honest with you. Always have. They run better with smaller nozzles. This is still a big nozzle, 135, I mean. You see that hook that goes on the top. Get that in between. Oh, see the hook goes on the top.
Firing up.
Well, I put a little nozzle in it.
Oh, good.
Little nozzle. I checked the oil flow. We got a good oil flow, so the filter's good. Now, your husband used to do the service on this thing, or what?
I don't know. I think he had somebody do it. I really do. Honestly, I don't know a whole hell of a lot, other than what I've seen.
Yeah, it's been running nice and lean. I can see it all white in there. That's good. Kind of setting the fire where I want it.
How'd the filter look?
Oh, I checked the oil. I got a good oil flow out of the pump, so the filter's fine.
Oh, good.
Yeah. That's good.
Should get this done once a year, they said. That's what someone told me.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay up on it, you know?
Yeah.
That's a lot of draft right there.
Huh?
That's a lot of draft.
What's that mean?
I gotta set the damper.
It's moving. That's why I'm glad you came to check it.
Let's try that. Well, if you got too much draft over the fire, you pull your heat right out of the boiler. No, that's better there. See it? We're on 2 now. Before it was on 4.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if I can get it this right. See, it's on 1 or 2? That's what we want. Before it was on 4. So it was pulling all the heat right out of the boiler.
Really? Where was it going?
Up the chimney.
No.
Yeah, wasting money.
Great.
But that's why you call me to set it up.
And the guy told me when he did that, he said, please get that man back here. I said, I will, but when you're done, where you're at. He said, I'm done with that chimney. He said, okay. So he's gonna have a heart attack, but he was in it. Go away.
Yep, that's good.
And so now what'd you do? Trigger it to just go off?
Oh, I just jumped it to run it to check it.
Good.
And then, I just jumped out the relay for now, temporarily.
Well, at least you fixed the, because that thing's open now, so I can tell the difference, whatever you did.
Well, no, that damper
Yeah.
is to adjust the draft over the fire.
Yeah.
Now, if you don't adjust it properly, you got too much draft over the fire, you're pulling the heat out of the chimney
Burning oil.
where you don't need to.
Yeah.
There should be a certain amount of draft over the fire, like 1 to 2, 0.01, 0.02
Yep.
over the fire, so it's going up slowly, but not a lot.
Yeah.
Before you had that closed, so it was sucking the heat right out of the boiler, so
Yeah.
you were wasting money. So now that I adjusted it, it's
Yeah.
going to work better.
Good. Good. That's good.
Alright, I just leave this right here so I know what size nozzle's in there. Good oil flow through pump, so I know the filters aren't dirty. New nozzle, clean retention head, reset draft over fire. It's a big boiler. She's a flipping monster, mama. Alright, she's ready to go. There's the one that I did the thermostat, remember? We changed that thermostat, that was a couple of months ago. And all the radiant heat. Couple of 330 tanks. Look at the size of that well tank. Wow. It's a monster. It's a flipping monster.